Hi everyone, welcome to Java Fever. So today we are going to learn how can we install IntelliJ IDEA in a Mac operating system. Okay, so for that we have to install first Java in your operating system. So this is the prerequisite to install IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, so I have already made a video to how can we install Java on Mac operating system. So you can watch and you can install firstly Java, and you can do the path setup. Okay, and then you can install the IntelliJ IDEA. So I will put the link of this video in description. You can go and you can watch. So currently we are going to focus on IntelliJ IDEA. How can install? So firstly in Google, open Google and write install IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, for Mac. Okay, and let's open this one, first one. Okay, so here we are getting IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate, and this is for Mac operating system. This will be for the Windows operating system. This will be for the Linux operating system. So we are going to download for Mac. Okay, so and we have two version of IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate and IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Okay, so yeah, this is we are going to install because this is the free of cost version. Okay, so completely free to use. Okay, Community Edition, and this will be the IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate. It will be the you have to pay. Okay, it will be free for 30 days trial. So we are going to install this one, IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. So click on DMG and Silicon. We have option. So we are getting two options. So which one we have to install? So this is DMG for Intel. Let me know, if you have Intel processor in your Mac, then you can install this one, download. And if you have M1 series Apple Silicon chip like M1, M2, M3, and M4 M series, so this is my latest one, M4. So I'm going to download .dmg. So click on .dmg and then download. So thank for downloading IntelliJ IDEA. So it's downloading. Okay, yeah, so we have downloaded the IntelliJ IDEA. So let's go to download. Okay, and we have DMG file. So let's double click on this. And how can we install? So firstly what you have to do, this is our IntelliJ IDEA software, and this is my application of Mac operating system. Okay, my laptop. So I'm going to drag it. Okay, what we have to do, we have to drag it from here to here. Okay, so click on control and then you can command and then drag it simply. Okay, so how can we check it is installed or not? So let's go to your application. Okay, so this is our launchpad. You'll get here, yeah, IntelliJ IDEA. So it is installed. So this is the very easy process to install. Okay, and open it, check it, and then continue. Data sharing, yes, yeah. So we have installed IntelliJ IDEA in operating system Mac OS. So here we have project. You can go to new project. You can open on the project and you can customize theme. Okay, which one you want to use, dark theme, light theme. Okay, so you can change according to your use. Okay, English language you can also check. This is Mac operating system, so we are using here Mac OS plugin. We can also use here and learn. Okay, so all the plugins you can use. So we are going to normally here run one Java program and then we'll do the remaining things. So here going to open. Okay, new project you can do. So I'm going to do new project, so the Java project. So let's open Java demo. Okay, normal build system IntelliJ. We are not going to use any Maven and Gradle because I'm going to run one Java program. And this is the, we have already set the Java path while installing the Java. So it's automatic fetching the Java. We have installed Java JDK 24. So we are getting here JDK 24. So already it's got selected. But if you have more than one or two JDK, so you can select any one, which one you want to. So I'm using this one, so it got auto selected. So let's create one project and let's. So this is the demo project of Java. Okay, which we have created. So now let's run it and check the output, it's working or not. So yeah, it's working. That means the it's considering the Java which is already installed in our operating system, and a path has been already set. Okay, so like this we can create the Java project and it will run. So let's create another project. Okay, what project we are going to get? A Spring Boot project. Let's check it is possible. So it's locked, so this is not available in this version, so you have to upgrade to IntelliJ IDE Ultimate, then you will be able to create a Spring Boot project. Okay, you have to purchase and it's a trial for 30 days. So we will try to get a Spring Boot project with the help of this version only. Okay, which we have downloaded, which is a free version. So first, for that purpose, what we have to do, so we have to go for plugin, we have to go and we have to download, then it is possible. Yeah, let's try. So this is the plugins. Okay, so let's search Spring Boot. I also did so many R&D to understood how can we install, how can we create a Spring Boot project in IntelliJ IDEA in this edition. Okay, so let's install any plugin. So let's install this plugin, JBL Spring Boot app generation. Okay, and check are we able to do or not. Installed, apply, and okay. Let's restart this. Okay, and then we'll check. Let's create new project, start spring.io. Yeah, so we are able to see Spring initialization in our project. Okay, so like this we can create a Spring Boot project. So let's choose Java Maven 3.5. okay, let's add some dependencies. Let's add some dependencies. So we are going to add Java DevTools, and then let's add more dependency, which is Spring Web. Yeah, Spring Web. Okay, then we have added Spring Web and Spring DevTools. Let's create one dummy project and check are we able to do or not. So I'm using Java 24. Let's generate it. Click on next, demo. So this is our project. So let's wait, it's loading. Load Maven project, it's a Maven Spring Boot project. Yeah, so we are able to create one dummy project, demo project. Okay, this is the Spring Boot project. So let's check, let's start and check are we able to do or not. So how can we start? So let's click on this, run. Yeah, so we are able to start on 808 port number. So like this we can install IntelliJ IDEA in your Mac operating system, and we can also create a Spring Boot project and normal Java projects. So I hope you understood all the points. If you have any doubts, please let me know in comment section. If you're loving my effort, please like, share and subscribe. Bye everyone.